I've got to say, the Fujifilm X-T3 mirrorless digital camera is definitely one of the best cameras I've used in a long time, but let me explain why. After spending some quality time with this camera, I've found it to be an excellent choice for both beginners and professionals alike, and I think it's because of its well-rounded feature set. Link is in the description if you want to check the latest price on Amazon, and I'll get into all the details that make this camera stand out, so keep watching. One of the things that really impresses me about the X-T3 is its ability to produce high-quality images in a variety of situations. The new 26.1 MP X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor works beautifully with the X processor 4 to deliver excellent results, and the 16 film simulation modes give you a lot of flexibility when it comes to customizing the look and feel of your photos. For example, I recently used the camera to take some portraits of a friend, and the classic chrome mode gave the images a really nice, timeless feel. The 4K movie recording is also top-notch, and I've been using it to capture some great video footage for my own projects. Plus, with 2.16 phase detection pixels across the entire frame, autofocus is fast and accurate, which is perfect for capturing those special moments. I've also been really enjoying the camera's viewfinder, which has 3.69 million dots and a 0.75x magnification, making it easy to see exactly what you're shooting. This has been especially useful when I'm out and about, trying to capture some wildlife shots. Being able to see the scene so clearly has really helped me get some great results. Another benefit of this camera is its compact size and lightweight design, making it easy to take with you on the go. I recently took it with me on a hike, and it was perfect for capturing some stunning landscape shots without weighing me down. In terms of the pros and cons, I think one of the biggest advantages of the X-T3 is its versatility. It's really capable of handling a wide range of situations, from portrait photography to landscape and wildlife. Another plus is the camera's build quality, which is really solid and durable. One thing to consider, however, is that the camera's menu system can be a bit complex, so it might take some time to get used to. Additionally, the battery life could be better, especially if you're planning on using it for extended periods of time. Overall, I'm really happy with the Fujifilm X-T3, and I think it's a great choice for anyone looking for a high-quality mirrorless camera. If you're interested in checking it out for yourself, the link is in the description below, so be sure to take a look.